Dear children, welcome to social science class. Today we discuss social science part 2. In this textbook we discuss geography and economics. This textbook social science part 2, so first chapter is season and time. You know seasonal changes. Here more pictures, flowering season, trees shed the leaf. What are the changes? The wonders of seasonal changes exhibited by the nature are varied. The winter is the season where everything buried in the snow. As the winter retreats, after the winter, the grass and trees slowly turn green, and then spring season arrives with the leaves and flowers in different hues. Then summer sets in bidding adieu goodbye the rain of spring, the summer. Next comes to the long rainy season as a relief to the scorching summer. Long rainy season relief scorching severe summer, and then follows the autumn. Trees start shedding their leaves with a few weeks in preparation to welcome to forthcoming winter. And the winter returns the month severe cold. Here depicted the wonders of the seasonal changes. Such astonishing visual that in the nature prepares more pronounced in the mid-latitude region or more temperate zone. You know, Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere is called a temperate zone. That area more pronounced the visual of nature, different seasonal changes. While it is noon at one place, another section in this chapter, time, season and time. While in noon, one place in noon, 12 o'clock noon, at one place in midnight in elsewhere, two different days but at the same time change on the earth, just like the wonders of the season. The sequence of time is also diverse. In this chapter we discuss season and time. First, season. You have just read the brief note on the seasonal changes. We experience the recurrence of winter, summer, rainy season, one after the other, different season one after the other. Such changes on the earth as seasonal changes. Why season changes? Why occurred seasonal changes? Variation in the amount of sunlight, an important special feature of the different season. You know, severe hot winter or variation in sunlight. The earth revolution, the reason for the seasonal changes. Earth revolution and tilt of the axis are the reason for the variation of the seasonal changes. You know, revolution and rotation, two movement of the earth, that it is an elliptical orbit. The earth elliptical orbital, ദീർഘവൃത്തത്തിലുള്ള orbital, the earth revolves around the sun is known as revolution. And tilt means the axis slanting, ചെരിവ്, axis ചെരിവ്. The axis straight ആയിട്ടല്ല ഉള്ളത്, axis 23 അല്ലെ 66 half degree position ഉള്ള the axis are the reason. Tilt, earth revolution and the tilt of the axis are the reason for variation, seasonal changes. Variation of season. How much time does the earth take one complete one revolution? You know, 1 year, 365 days. What is leap year? You know, one changes in one fourth year, continuous 1 year. What is leap year? Is while the ordinary year we have 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. The extra day added on the month of February. Where we got extra day, earth have correct earth one revolution period 365 days and 6 hour. 6 hour നമ്മൾ മാറ്റി നിർത്തിയിട്ട് 4 continuous. Fourth year we got 24 hour and 1 day. That 1 day added the month of February, and we got that year 366 days. That year is called a leap year. You have learned the previous classes that axis of the earth is tilted and an angle 66 half degree from the orbital plane. Orbital plane in the 66 half degree ചെരിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണുള്ളത്. if measured from the vertical plane. Would Earth maintain this tilt throughout the revolution? Around the sun period, മൊത്തം Earth ആ ചെരിവ് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. The Earth maintained this tilt throughout its revolution. This is known as the parallelism of the Earth axis. Earth axisന്റെ parallelism, സമാന്തരമായിട്ട് ആ മൂവ്മെൻ്റ് ആണ് revolution period ഉള്ളത്. Earth, here one picture, Earth axis tilt, equator, you know this line, equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer line, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north line, 66.5 degree south line called Antarctic Circle, here 90 degree point south pole, and here 90 degree point called North Pole. Here one picture, the distance between Sun and Earth, near and far. Here name aphelion and perihelion. Here distance, the day's distance 152 million kilometer. July 4, and wrote here 147 million kilometer. January 3rd, the distance between Earth and Sun will vary continuously throughout the period of one revolution. The day on which the Sun and Earth അടുത്തായിട്ടുള്ളത്, near perihelion, 147 million kilometer this area, and another farthest aphelion, here 152 million kilometer. And these days are known as perihelion and near and farthest, perihelion and aphelion.